today's workshop I have been able to use a number of tools so far that I wouldn't normally use in my line of work with young people. We were shown how to sort of draw things quite quickly, and I think in the moment when I'm in training or in a workshop, I think I could grab people's attention quite quickly, so that's quite useful for me.
It's not the sort of normal training that you would think of doing. So I think in terms of broadening our skill set with a wide variety of tactics really to work with teams and clients.
I was quite concerned about my level of ability in relation to it, and I couldn't conceptualise how I would be able to take those skills and adapt it. But what the workshop has done is shown me how quite simple it is and how you can adapt it to the kind of work that we do on a daily basis.